How did Google and Facebook get venture capital? Have you ever wondered how some of the biggest tech companies in the world got their start? Let's take a closer look at how Google and Facebook secured venture capital funding to grow into the giants they are today. Starting with Facebook, in 2004, Peter Thiel made a significant seed investment of $500,000. This funding allowed Mark Zuckerberg to develop Facebook without the pressure to make money right away. This initial investment was vital for building Facebook's early user base. Then in 2005, the venture capital firm Accel Partners invested $13 million for a 15% stake when Facebook's valuation was around $100 million. This was considered a high valuation back then, but it drew in more investors. By 2006, Facebook raised $27.5 million in a Series B round from several venture capital firms, including Greylock Partners. This increased Facebook's valuation to $500 million. Over the next few years, more firms like Founders Fund and Kleiner Perkins invested in Facebook, fueling its rapid growth. This venture capital funding helped Facebook expand its user base and develop its advertising model, leading to a $16 billion initial public offering in 2012 at a $100 billion valuation. Now, let's talk about Google. In 1998, Google received its first major investment from Andy Bechtolsheim, who wrote a check for $100,000 before Google was even incorporated. Soon after, Google secured venture capital from firms like Sequoia Capital and Kleiner Perkins. These investments were essential for Google to develop its search technology and expand its infrastructure. Understanding venture capital is important because it involves investors providing funds to startups with high growth potential in exchange for ownership shares. For Latino families looking into financial literacy and funding opportunities, knowing how companies like Google and Facebook attracted venture capital can show how early investment can support business growth. This knowledge can also help Latino entrepreneurs seeking funding to start or expand their businesses, including those in the insurance sector or other community needs. In summary, Facebook's venture capital journey began with Peter Thiel's seed funding and a significant investment from Accel Partners, followed by rounds from top venture capital firms. Google's early funding came from angel investors and major venture capital firms. Both companies used this capital to develop their technologies and grow rapidly, demonstrating the vital role of venture capital in building successful companies.